Hello beach lovers, today we're diving into the features of the Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair 2-Pack, a perfect blend of style and functionality with its vibrant Sailfish and Palms design. These chairs boast a lightweight, rust-proof aluminum frame and durable 600 denier polyester fabric, supporting up to 300 pounds, ensuring you can relax with peace of mind. Comfort is key with adjustable pillows, padded shoulder straps, and a rubber carry handle, making transportation a breeze. You'll love the convenience of the insulated beverage or storage pouch, cell phone holder, and cup holder, keeping your essentials within arm's reach. Plus, the folding towel bar adds an extra touch of practicality, while the chairs adjust to 5 reclining positions, including a lay-flat option for ultimate relaxation. Whether you're lounging by the ocean or enjoying a sunny day at the park, these chairs are designed to enhance your outdoor experience. So, gear up for your next adventure with the Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair 2-Pack and enjoy the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.